Synodality is about journeying together. However, this journeying together may sound a bit quick and ambiguous, but what does it mean? It means embracing a certain mindset. That is, considering the contribution of each other, considering that each one of us has something to contribute for the mission of the church, to consider that we are all responsible for the mission of the church. As one of the sisters stated, that mission is not reserved to a few people, just one individual, but all of us. And we all draw this responsibility from the sacrament of baptism which we received.
We are embracing solidarity, synodality in community, because the synod on synodality was concluded, and we are receiving that final document from Right Reverend Father Dr. Ambrose Bwangato. So we are in the process, we are in the phase of implementation, and this is the right time for us to receive it as consecrated men and women and go to live it in our communities. We have enjoyed what Father Ambrose has shared with us, because this is key in our inclusivity, in living with everybody in the church and at different levels in our apostolates.
The Pope is reminding all of us that the church is missionary by nature, and all of us must come together and participate on the mission of the church. This mission is big. It cannot be done by one person. All of us is being asked to come and join together in this mission.
The church now needs people who work together. We journey together. If I'm a community superior, I need also to involve others. I can't make a decision alone. I have to involve my brothers in the community.
The church is reminding us of being accountable of all that belongs to the church. And when we say of all what belongs to the church, we mean the church's property or the assets, and we the Christians who are in the church.
In the Catholic Church, we have to have discernment. Always in our activities or acting, we need to discern or to judge wisely in all what we do, to meditate and know what is good and bad.
The programs we have had here, we are thankful to the Formation Institute for the Religious in Uganda here in Namugongo, who organized this program, and for us who are facilitating it, to see that a number of members of Institutes of Consecrated Life, brothers and sisters, have been undergoing this program, and they are going back as agents who are going to carry forth this message of synodality in their communities, in their parishes, and in their institutions. We ought to have more programs like this, and we hope synodality become a reality for the whole universal church.